When you check out this plastic, guys, it's looking amazing, guys. You can see now how it's looking, and we Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. This is Hero and I'm selling the wedding stuff, guys. If it's your first time on my YouTube channel, guys, please subscribe right now. And right now for more videos, guys, will be get the special price on this YouTube channel, guys. Today we just available the beautiful chair which is one seater and is a new design is coming, guys. We got a green color, we got also the dust tipping which is you see before on the video I uploaded, guys. So a lot of customer like it and some people also you give me order. So today we just bring the dark green color, guys, but the problem you cannot see, guys, on this plastic on the top, that's why. But when you check out this plastic, guys, it's looking amazing, guys. You can see now how it's looking, and we got also another cushion, guys. Look, this one is also another people is sitting without this cushion, but we give this cushion, guys. So this is the beautiful sofa and is amazing, guys. I hope you will be like this one, guys. If you like, please give the big thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos, and please share the video with your friends and Facebook and WhatsApp, guys. So this one will just give on the special, guys, 1,479, guys. So if you want it, guys, let me know in the comments, guys. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you to next video on soon, guys. Bye bye. New table is coming, which is the round background, and is a table which is a wood one, guys, and will make just check is a beautiful table and